In this lesson, we're going to look at the string method Isascii. And what this one does is it returns true if all the characters in the string are ASCII characters. Let me show you real quick. So we'll just have a string of numbers. We'll just say 1 through 9. It really doesn't matter what I put here because as you're going to see in a second, I can't think of anything on your keyboard, your standard English keyboard, that isn't an ASCII character. So I'm going to get true basically no matter what I type. See, I got true. This would be good for parsing out different kinds of characters, like characters from other languages, emojis, like other kinds of symbols. So that's mainly what this is for.